Hello traders, 9:15 a.m. market open. Previous day before market closing. Previous day means it's a Monday market. Before market closing, before 10 minutes of market closing, a buy call started. So the green color candle open. That buy call bullish momentum followed today opening. And today up to 11:30, it was a bullish momentum. Market was in green color candle only. After exactly say 11:27. It downside breakout, sell call, red color candle open. So today the first call generated after 11:25 a.m. only, the sell call generated. So red color candle open, sell at 55,722. That straight white line from red candle, that white line is the entry line, below line are target line, above line is the stop loss line. Through this entry you will get entry point. Through this entry you can do your manual trading, auto trading, both are possible. For plan detail, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. And today the sell call came at 55,722. First target is 55,583. It's more than 130 point first target range. So like this daily, this chart will give you the calls signal. Through this signal calls, you will get to trade this Bank Nifty future. So on daily standard basis, we are analyzing in Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. So through this chart, you will get the entry point and do the trades. So the sell call generated, which is break out the first target range within 10 minutes of sell call generated. Like this call generated and break out the target. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.